Hi, it's Tammy and Jen. We are here with a fun notion that we found at Quilt Market. We had so much fun. You guys who were following us and you were seeing our pictures and liking us, that was awesome. Well, here's one of our amazing finds. This is the Tote Trivet by Gypsy Quilter.
We were amazed.
We were amazed.
Watch this.
Just watch what happens.
It's so cool.
All right. So we're going to take this. This is like I'm going to a retreat, right?
Yep.
And you have all these notions you have to pack up. Okay, so let's unpack what I actually have in this. I have my favorite rulers, hand needles. You always need hand needles. Magnetic pin caddy. I have all kinds of stuff. You know, you have to have your Roxanne's glue basted.
Oh, yeah.
All your notions,
all
a
your
pen. Oh yeah, it keeps going. We have to have our needle threader and our needles. You never know if you might do a little handwork at retreat, right?
I often do.
Gotta have my little
Especially
scissors.
when
right?
the power goes down because all the irons are turned on.
All the irons are on. Yeah, I hate that.
While she's unpacking, I'll tell you a story.
That's right. This one.
We were at a quilt retreat for the first time. They were holding their quilt retreat, and everyone plugged their iron in. In about 15 seconds, the whole power in the whole building went out, and I was
Nobody had
very
power.
happy we had hand sewing.
Absolutely.
It took a New York minute to get that power turned back on. But look what this
Look at
carries.
all these notions in this little tiny thing. So when you get to quilt retreat,
Oh, this is fun.
sometimes it's really hard to keep track of all your stuff, right?
Yeah, you
Because
don't want to
it's
sit next
on
to
the
me.
table. Oh, I have sat next to you, Jennifer. This is for you. I'm getting you one for Christmas. Spoiler alert, this is what you're getting.
I am, honestly,
Look how
my
cute
stuff
this
starts
is.
rolling away.
You just kind of spread out. It just keeps
Cool.
creeping over. Look how cool this is. Now it keeps all my stuff in a container. Look at that.
I love
Next
this.
to my machine. Isn't that cool?
So
Love
two
this.
colors, teal,
Two colors.
purple, and if you have a lot of notions, because especially if you're on a 4 or 5 day retreat,
Yes,
you might want one of each.
that's right.
So
That's right.
this one we felt like was one of our top finds at Quilt Market.
Definitely.
These are going to
Love
fly out
them.
the door, and if you've got those quilting buddies, well, obviously you figured out
Oh,
my
yeah.
Christmas gift.
I know what I'm getting, Jen. Yeah.
Get one of these for yourself and for gift giving because they're
Absolutely.
so practical, and as you can see,
They're
they
amazing.
hold a ton.
They're very durable. This is nylon. They're very durable.
Yeah.
I love that. It's going to last a long time. Love it.
So glad. Thank you,
Okay.
Gypsy Quilter, for making these
Oh, yeah.
useful tools
Beautiful
every
tools.
time. They really do solve problems.
They do.
So we will be on the hunt for more notions, and Tammy and I will see you soon as soon as we find them.